How to reset Facebook default settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the Facebook application on a device over here. So let's launch the Facebook application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select on the gear icon. That will lead you to settings and privacy. So as you scroll down settings and privacy, you can see the different options over here. But to find the option which is directly to default the settings, there's no options as such. You have to go to each and every options over here, and you'll have to go to each and every option and tap on the default section and then save. But if you do not want to do this, then what you can simply do is you can simply go back, launch the Play Store application on your device, and here you can simply tap on the search bar, search for Facebook. So let's search for Facebook, and you can simply uninstall the application. So after uninstalling, you can reinstall the application and then it will be reset to Facebook default settings. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.